Right, welcome to another lesson in high school ICT. In this lesson I want to demonstrate how the int function works and the round, with the round up and round down, how those functions work. So here I've got a number 8.3023 and I want it to be a whole number, just to be an integer, no decimals. And again, if it's not there, type in the function, click go, and then OK. So I've already typed it in, so it's there. Click OK. That's the number, and you can see it makes it a whole number. Okay. So it says it rounds the number down to the nearest integer, and is the real number you want to round down. So they're just making sure that you have the right one. Click OK. There we go. Right, as easy as that. Then in this one, I've got 3.5. I want to round it, well, down, up, or just round. Okay, so I'm just going to do a round on this one. If I round up, it's going to do the same. So let's do a round. That's the number, a digit. If I put 1, it stays the same. So in other words, to 1 digit after the comma, or the decimal point, it goes to 4. And if I'm just going to delete this quickly, and if I go to round down, that's the number, and again to 0 gives me 3. 1, it stays the same, so that's rounding it down to the nearest whole number then. Okay, so 3.5, even though 0.5 is above, and I know you've been taught 5 and above moves up, this one is rounding down. Okay, but cancel, and if I do the round up, that's my number, round up 1, round up 0. Okay, this one over here, 3.65, I'm going to do a round up. That's the number, again 1 digit, goes to 3.7 because it looks at the one to the right of it. So the 100th column, it's above 5, so it goes up. And if I said 0, then it rounds it right up to 4. And if I go 2, it stays the same. Okay, so let's leave that at 1. Very much the same as the round function. Then 2.245. Okay, I'm just going to do round. It's the number of digits. Let's make it 2. So it becomes 2.25 because it looks at the because I wanted it to be rounding on the 100th column. It looks at the 1000th column and it pulls it up. If I made it 1, then it becomes 2.2 because now it looks at with the 1 digit, it's looking at the 10th column. Now it looks at the 100th, and 0.4 is below 0.5, so it rounds it down to 2.2. Okay, and this one over here, if let's do a round down. Okay, it's the digit, and let's say we round it down to 1, 2, to the 3rd digit. It'll give you 3.564. The 2nd digit, 3.56. And 1 would give us 3.5, and 0 would take it to 3. So let's do 2. Okay, so go play around, pause the video, go back, watch again, and yeah, these were quite easy functions, and we'll be looking at a whole range of other functions in the future lessons that come up, looking at VLOOKUPs, if statements, etc. Good. Till next time then. Take care.